Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am telling you about how to sign up for TikTok. Signing up for TikTok is very easy. First of all, go to Play Store and download TikTok application. I have already installed it and I have an option to open it. So just tap and open. Now you can click agree and continue. Here are many options. You can select all of them or you can choose your interest. I am selecting some of them. Now click on the next. Just swipe up and now you can see the main page of TikTok. In order to sign up, go to the icon profile located at the right corner of the bottom. Click on the profile. Click sign up. You have lots of options here. You can either use your phone or your email. You can continue signing up with Facebook. You can continue with Google or even Twitter. I am selecting the first one. Select your date of birth and tap on next. Here you can enter your phone number or email during signing up. Let me enter my email. Tap on the next button. For verification, drag the slider for fit the puzzle piece like this. Now verification completed. Now create a password for your TikTok account. While creating a password, your password must include 8 to 20 characters and letters, numbers and special characters as well. Now tap on the next and here you can create a username for your TikTok. You can select the particular username that has been typed in or you can select one from the suggested below. Now click sign up. Now you have successfully signed up for TikTok account just like that. Now your TikTok account has been created. Now you can set it up. If you like my video, please like it and share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.